After using Google's new $499 Pixel 8a, I have one big question. Why would anyone pay $200 more for the $699 Pixel 8? While there are a couple of notable differences between the two, the Pixel 8a hits all the important notes, which makes Google's pricier phone feel lost in the Pixel lineup. At a time when tech giants are stuffing their products with flashy new AI features, the Pixel 8a feels delightfully simple. It inherits some of Pixel 8's AI tools and tricks like circle to search and best take, but doesn't bring anything new to the table. And that's not a bad thing. The Pixel 8a shines because it nails the basics at a price that feels relatively affordable and accessible. Given Google's track record of updating Pixel phones with new features over time, we can expect it to gain even more smarts too. It's hard to pinpoint what I enjoyed most about using the Pixel 8a because it's not about one particular improvement, but rather how everything comes together. The Pixel 8a and Pixel 8 have a lot in common, but there are quite a few differences between the two devices as well. Google's cheaper phone has a slightly lower capacity battery and a screen that's just a hair smaller. You won't get battery share, the feature that lets you use your phone as a wireless charger for other compatible accessories, on the Pixel 8a. The Pixel 8 also supports faster wired charging and is rated for IP68 water resistance instead of the Pixel 8a's IP67 rating. That may be important to consider if you spend a lot of time outdoors and prefer not to use a case. The difference in the ratings means that the Pixel 8 can be submerged under more water than the Pixel 8a. The cameras also differ, although you'll get a wide and ultra-wide rear camera on both models. The Pixel 8a's camera has a higher resolution, but the pixels aren't as wide, and the camera lacks laser, detect autofocus, and macro focus mode. You also won't get spatial audio, which creates a surround sound-like effect with the Pixel 8a. The Pixel 8a's design strongly resembles the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. Google round out the edges, giving it a softer feel compared with the Pixel 7a. The back also has a nice matte finish that feels more premium and is also likely less prone to fingerprint smudges compared with the glossy Pixel 7a and Pixel 8. You have 4 color options to choose from: aloe green, bay light blue, obsidian, black, and porcelain white. The Pixel 8a essentially has the same camera as the Pixel 7a, a 64 megapixel main camera with a 13 megapixel ultra-wide camera. That may sound like a step above the 50 megapixel main camera on the Pixel 8's rear camera system, which also includes a 12 megapixel ultra-wide shooter, but resolution, the Pixel 8a's camera has a smaller pixel width, which can be important in determining overall image quality since larger pixels can absorb more light. Overall, the Pixel 8a excelled when it came to color accuracy, providing images that felt vibrant but not exaggerated. The bottom line, the Pixel 8a's camera is adequate for most people, especially for a phone at this price. You'll get a step up with the Pixel 8, but it's not substantial enough to justify the gap in price. The Pixel 8a also inherits some AI-powered photo and video editing features from the Pixel 8, such as Best Take, Magic Editor, and Audio Magic Eraser. The Pixel 8a's battery is more than capable of getting through a full day on a single charge. On a busy day that involved leaving the house around 8:30 a.m., spending the day at the office, and then going out to dinner with friends, the Pixel 8a still had 66% of its battery left at 12:43 a.m. That's roughly 16 hours of use. Hardware isn't the only similarity between the Pixel 8a and Google's pricier Pixels. They share a lot of software features in common too. You'll get features like Hold for Me, which can wait on hold for you when calling certain businesses, and Circle to Search, which lets you search for almost anything on screen by drawing or scribbling on it. Most importantly, Google will support the Pixel 8a with 7 years of Android operating system upgrades and security updates. That matches the Pixel 8 support timeline and marks a big jump from the 3-year pledge Google made with last year's Pixel 7a. It's great to see Google extending this policy to its cheaper phone too.